Tesla is still perfectly following structure. Today, we analyze Tesla. However, by actually looking at a higher time frame, we are perfectly able to determine where Tesla will head next in the near future. Therefore, looking here at the monthly chart of Tesla. Before we actually start with our technical analysis, we first have to determine the underlying trend. On Tesla, you can clearly see that basically, since it was listed on the stock exchange back in 2010, we always saw major impulses towards the upside, which were followed by quite harsh corrections. Back in the mid-2019, Tesla created the last massive impulse towards the upside, and ever since, we just have been seeing consolidation. This, however, has not been unexpected at all. First of all, back in 2019, you can see that after multiple retests of a significant horizontal support, Tesla once again created bullish confirmation inside of this structure and as such initiated an overall expected bull run. This bull run was even more expected considering that we saw a so-called triangle breakout with this upper red resistance trend line. And after Tesla broke out of this triangle, we still witnessed another rally of 1,300%. After this rally and after Tesla created the previous all-time high around this $400 level back in 2021, Tesla once again entered into a significant consolidation. On the one side, we do have this upper horizontal resistance at the previous all-time high at the psychological $400 level. And just a couple of months ago, Tesla perfectly retested this structure. I published a bunch of analysis explaining all the reasons for which I do expect a move lower. And voila, Tesla corrected 50%. Since I mentioned we're talking about a consolidation, we also do have a lower ascending support trend line. And as you can see, over the course of the past couple of years, Tesla has overall been trading in a triangle formation. It's an overall bullish triangle pattern because Tesla actually entered bullish into this pattern. We're having an ascending triangle formation, so there is, just looking at probabilities, a higher chance that we will eventually see a bullish breakout. I also want to mention a significant horizontal level exactly at this $250 level, which Tesla just retested a couple of months ago, and we perfectly took a long position here with Academy traders and capitalized on a decent move towards the upside. But if we once again zoom out and we look at the overall picture on Tesla, the bull run is not over. What I'm personally waiting for is a bullish breakout, another retest of the previous all-time high, bullish confirmation on the smaller time frame, and then we will simply witness a so-called all-time high breakout, which will simply lead to another substantial rally. If you enjoyed today's analysis of Tesla and you found it any helpful, as always, I really appreciate if you smash the like button below this video. The moment Tesla actually creates something interesting inside of this level, I will immediately update this analysis, so make sure you check back every once in a while. I will see you tomorrow with a fresh breakdown. Don't get caught up in any of the short-term volatility. Keep your long-term vision.